Okay, let's begin by looking at our calendar. If you go to the bottom left-hand corner of your Outlook, you'll see a calendar. If you just hover over it, it will bring up the calendar for the month, and it will tell you your schedule. If you click on it, it takes you to your calendar options. The first thing I want you to notice is that there's new appointment, new meetings. These have different meanings. In Outlook, appointments aren't the same. Appointments are activities that you schedule in your calendar that don't involve inviting other people. Also, it doesn't involve reserving resources such as a conference room or equipment. In the calendar, you can actually choose to click on New Appointment, or you can go to the date that you actually want to schedule your appointment and right-click New Appointment. Once you're here, go ahead and give it a subject. Your location. Since I clicked inside the calendar for the date I wanted, all I need to do now is just choose the time that I'm looking for. Now, if I know it's an all-day event, I have the option to click here. Show As will give you the option to change free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, or out of office. This is if you share your calendar with someone, they'll actually know what you're doing on those days. You can actually make this a reoccurrence, set it for different time zones, and you also have the scheduling assistant that will help you keep up with what you're doing, who you're adding to it, if you have any attendees or any rooms. We're going to cancel this. And then if I click on New Meetings, this gives me the option to Skype meeting. I can also add meeting notes if you're familiar with OneNote. And this sends the invitations to the people you'd like to attend. So you can click here to find the people you would like to include, or if you already are familiar with who you want to send it to, you can just type in their name here. Make sure you give it a subject because it's coming as an email. Your location. Again, a start date, a time, and you can even click here for the rooms. Again, your Show As tells whether it's free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, or out of office. And you have a reminder. You can choose to set your reminder a few minutes, a few hours, a day, or a week or two in advance. Once you've added your information, you would click Send. Now, if you'd like to set up a Skype meeting, then you would click New Skype Meeting. You must be signed into Skype in order for this to actually go through. Once you're signed into Skype, click on New Skype Meeting. And again, this is going to submit just like an email. You will put in the person's name, subject. The link to join is already here. And of course, you would put in your time. Again, you can set a reminder. You can look for rooms. You can make this a reoccurrence. And if you're not sure of the names, if you click on Check Names, it'll verify whether the name is correct or not. Generally, if it's underlined, then you will find that that's the correct name. and then you would send. So because this is overdue, it's showing up as a reminder. You can join online, you can snooze it for a few minutes, or you can dismiss it.